Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. It's so funny that I'm behind the curtain and telling you guys to welcome to a new vlog. I'm just trying so hard to not be frustrated. So the whole of this week, I don't know if I vlogged. I have been working away from home. Working away from yeah. So I got a client that I'm teaching beginners video editing, and I rented an office space, so I go there 3 times a week to teach the person and then come back. So I usually do not have enough time to come back home and start creating content or something. I usually come back tired. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because it's a long time that I've actually like left the house in the morning saying I'm going to work and then coming back home, stuff like that. Yeah. I think I like I wanted to open the window, but nah, I think it's too bright. I prefer it like this. Okay, so today is Wednesday and I'm not going to work. Like, I'm at home today. The only place I'm going to today is midweek service. So tell me why I decided to use today to create content, like batch create lots of content that will be enough for me for next week. And when I got ready to film content, I already arranged the stuff that I needed because I wanted to do a self-care content. So when I got ready, NEPA took the lights. And I opened my window. Let me see if it's going to be bright. But I don't like the brightness that it's giving. I want like an external light, like brightness. And I said, let me lie down, wait, oh. Tell me why it started raining. Oh God, can you guys hear the sound? Let me show you guys. Can you guys see? Rain. Like, it's so exhausting. And I wanted to create content for like maybe 2 or 3 hours. Then once it's 4, I'll go and make dinner so that I might finish making it by maybe 6, have my bath, and then after midweek service I go. Now I will just lie down and watch movie. If I leave this curtain, it's going to be very dark. So now I'll just lie down and watch movie. Hey God, oh. The way I'm patiently waiting for light, the rain just reduced. And I think the people, they'll just wait for the light to for the rain to dry out completely before they bring lights. I don't like this thing. NEPA has not brought the lights. Like, and it's already to 4, Abby. Yeah. Can you see? It's already to 4. Let me go and cook. We wait for another day. It's definitely not going to be tomorrow. Because I'll be so busy tomorrow. Oh, it won't even be on Friday. I'll be busy on Friday. It will not be on Saturday. I'll be busy on Saturday. Like on Saturday, I have a shoot with a makeup artist. But if they bring it, maybe when I'm back from midweek, I come back from midweek by 9. So if they bring it when I come back from midweek, I'll just like see the lightning. If it's good, I'll do it. If it's not good, it's still next week Wednesday again, because Sunday, Monday I'm going out. going to work. Tuesday, going to work. Wednesday, I'm free. Thursday is the last day of my work. Ooh, let me go and cook. Yes, I want to make village rice, but I'm making it with, I want to make asun too, and there's going to be fish, and there's going to be snail, like
This one I grab you with the jabata. I no get time, I did jabata. Dada cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. What's it come? You are go, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are go, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take it to another way. Plenty survive with this. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. You tell me what's it come? You want come? All the men, they can ride the boat, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You want come? All the men, they can.
You guys, these mad people just brought the lights. Gosh. Can you see? I had a feeling they would bring it when I start cooking. Now, what should I do? What should I do? I should leave my food. Oh shit.
Right, I know different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling the floor like the ocean.
So guys, what's the time? This is 2:05. Can I shoot something? Like, I should leave this house 6 o'clock because midweek starts 6:30 and I need to get a good spot for sitting down. Can I do this thing? I should be able to do this thing. Let's see. The rice is boiling. So guys, I was able to shoot 2 videos. I'm so happy. This is past 5. I need to go and prepare for church. My food is ready. Yeah, so let me go and prepare for church.
I'm that's my bro, my family. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall be head of state. But now people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women.
What does it mean to be rich? To be rich means to become more. To be rich means to become what? More. To be rich means to have more. To be rich means to increase. To be rich means to multiply. To be rich means to have full supply. To be rich means... Can I be honest with you? To be rich doesn't really mean you must be a billionaire or a multi-billionaire. It just means at every point in time you have more than enough. When school fees comes, you are not thinking.
Yeah.
You pay. And after paying, you are not having nightmares. There are people buy fuel, after buying fuel, they can't even drive the car. Say now, go fuel, what shall I do? They take keke, they pay after pay the keke man, they become depressed.
I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the men. Oluwa now.
Alex Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, where's me out of fear? You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause there's a point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar, good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar, good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
He say that I'm good enough, cover my think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Look at my shit, cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good boy's a liar, good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar, good boy.
What's up, people? I think it's been a very long time. Don't know why this story likes spilling out. It's been a very long time. I vlogged. I think the last time I vlogged was Saturday when I went to what's it called? What's this place again? When I went to, I think I removed this ring light. Is this 7? Oh, it's 7. But this light is okay. When I went to Cairo, yeah, I think that was the last time I vlogged. Yeah. Let me pour the juice I just grinded. But first of all, I need to clear my table. Ooh. And it's already late, but I'm expecting a delivery. Should be here soon.
He's a liar, he doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me,
So I want to wait till this rider gets here before I start pouring the juice because he's calling already. Hello? Okay, I'm coming. The rider is here. So guys, move. It's not safe here. Onion lights. Need to move. I got new the light from here will be so bright, but I'm so sorry. I got new 90s. So let's look at this together. I don't remember picking this. Okay. I bought two, but she was going to give me one extra. And this was not the one extra that she showed me. Let's look at this. Nah, this is a no-no. I don't understand what this is. This is supposed to be... Shit. These are the two I ordered, so let's check this two. Because I'll be mad if this two is rubbish. Okay. I love this. Love it, it's very nice. Check the other one. Skelewu. This waist is going to go down. I need to work on this waist. The clothes are not that bad, but it was not what I expected. Let's say I expected an 8 over 10, but I'm seeing 5 over 10 here. This one, By the way, they were thrifted. I got it from a thrift store. They were looking all cute on Instagram. I should have known better. Well, that's fine. Guys, if you call it thrift, I don't want to buy it and it's smelling of Kerika. You can tell I'm not fully satisfied with this order. Hey yo guys, so I want to try something new today. All around my Instagram, I've just been seeing creamy pasta, creamy coconut pasta, blah 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 blah. So today, what's my hair doing, baby? Today I want to make creamy coconut pasta. I'm going to make small, so that if it turns out bad, but if I forgot to bring out my chicken earlier, but let's just get into it. I'm done. Let me show you guys. Can you see that gorgeousness? It looks so cute. And I think I plated it very well. So guys, this is the moment of truth. Let's taste it and see if I'll actually like it.
Alex, Abs, take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Anyone to hold me when I'm looking good enough? Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, with me I fear you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. 'Cause I was crying, it was never even
This is so good. I've seen people make this and they don't like, okay, they just make creamy pasta, but I said to try coconut creamy pasta first before trying only creamy pasta, but guys, these bangs. There's so much coming in the fur. And it's so flavorful. This man has to go and see my family again because let me call my friend Stephanie and show her.
Like, yo, send me a pin. Look at my shit, cause you know what I